Hi, Jayant. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah. So, this is ETL testing online classes. Okay, and I'll be the trainer. I'll be your trainer, and this is weekend morning batch. The classes will be for this batch will be morning time, 8 to 9:30 on Friday, and then
Mhm.
Saturday, Sunday we'll have 2 hours class, 8 to 10. Okay, so that
Okay.
previously we used to complete this weekend morning batch, Friday, Saturday, Sunday class. When I used to take 1.5 hour class, I used to complete in 1.5 month. But what I have done, Saturday, Sunday, I like people will have holiday. Let's make it 2 hours session and then complete in 1 month. Okay. So that's what we follow. Like when I was seeing when I used to go for 1.5 month, people go slow down after 1 month. Okay. So I thought like let's make it 1 month only and then we'll pump people to prepare accordingly and then we'll have a will have a job in a 1 month, 10 days. So it's completely depends on your hard work and how you follow my instruction. Okay. So let's discuss each and every point in detail. And this session will be for 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. If it's required, then it will go for 1 hour 30 minutes. Otherwise, 1 hour 15 minutes up to it will go. So people do ask like how we are going to discuss how many like in 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, how we are going to discuss each and every point. So the ETL testing is not like very much, and we are not going to invest so much time in a demo class. If after demo class, if anyone will have question, anytime you can call me, anytime you can message me. There no problem in that. I like like we our calls are free, our WhatsApp is free, so you can call me anytime and you can discuss with me. So this is my number. If anyone does not have it, please save it. My name is full name is Jayant. You can save this number. Okay. Uh, if you want to save it right away, you can do it using your mobile. Just save it my number because in future I'll be the major primary contact for everything. Okay, maybe someone of have contacted me, someone of you contacted Bisal. So like no worries, both of them will handle, but you should have my no number. You can save my number in your mobile. Okay, so let's start with the proper explanation how we are going to deal with this course and how it will be effective for you to get the job. Okay, so our target is to get you a job after completion of the course within 10 to 15 days after completion of the course. If you really put effort during the session, you can get job in a 20 to 25 days or 30 days also. Some people they ask me for the previous class recordings and they get job in 22 to 25 days. Okay, so I'm not saying that it's like 100% people will get it because some of the people they'll join for time pass also. So those kind of people will have always trouble. Okay, so now let me start with the things. Who is going to handle what? Okay. So, myself, Jayant Kumar, and I'm having 11 years of experience. Many of you have interacted me, and many of you directly contacted Vishal. So, no worries. I'll explain my profile once again. So, myself, Jayant Kumar, and I am having 11 years of experience in ETL testing. I have worked mostly on ETL testing project like a company like IBM, Deloitte, UST Global, NetApp, all these places I have worked. And I currently also am working with one of MNC company. So this is my profile, and I'm staying in Bangalore. So this is full online classes, so you can be dependent on the online classes only. You will have a WhatsApp group. Guys, go on mute if you're not talking. Okay, so you'll be added to the WhatsApp group. If any one of you not added to WhatsApp group, let me know. You'll be added to the WhatsApp group, and each and every communications through the WhatsApp group only it will happen. Moreover, you will be getting the access for the recording for after each and every class. Guys, don't do drawing. Okay, so management activity will be handled by the Vishal. Like if you'll have any problem, access problem, the class recordings is not able to open, or any kind of like material you are not getting it, access for the class recording access you are not getting it, drive access you are not getting it, or installation problem, or you want to pay fees into installment or something like that. If you want to discuss, you can discuss with Vishal and he will help you to solve all this management activity. Okay. And we'll have another team. The Sindhuja will be taking care of technical placement. Okay. So, Vishal, can you explain yourself? Vishal is also working in a IT companies, big IT companies, and he is having 6 years of experience. Vishal, can you please explain?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Basically, this is Vishal. I am taking care about the all management part, and if so, audible, no?
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So that's why basically we are here for the placement purpose, right? So you join the training for the placement. So about the management, about the any taking care part, we'll take care, and Jay sir will explain the all technical part and training part. So you have any concern, any need, you can call me anytime. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, so next person will be your Sindhuja, like who will be helping you the technical placement. Why I mentioned technical placement in the sense like she'll be helping you to like how to explain in an interview and all. Many way like I'll be also involved in all these things. She'll be taking your initial mock interviews for the SQL part as well as the next full syllabus part, and then final mock will be taken by me, as well as she'll take your group discussion. She'll drive the group discussion, and she'll help you technically like how to face interviews, what are the things you have to tell and all these things. Because recently only she cracked 2 interviews, two offer letters she got it. One is with the very big MNC and one with the medium level of company. She was able to crack, and I found like technically she is very strong, and she prepared full syllabus in 18 days. Okay, and I was surprised when I took her interview. So she made it like in 18 days, and then she got a job in a 25 days only. So that's why I requested her to just help people, help our student to get job in same way, same fast phase. Whoever is looking for the faster things. So Sindhuja, maybe she has not joined. It's too early for her to join. She has kids, and she has want to drop the kids to school. So maybe I'll call her tomorrow, and she will introduce herself. Okay, so she'll be helping you to get a job very soon as possible in all the aspects, and uh, you will be very benefited from her so much. So I requested her, but she did not join. But she got 2 offer letters. She may be joining at 9:30 like that. So I'll introduce that time. Okay, Sindhuja, did you join it? So we don't have Sindhuja now. So let's move to the next topic. So what is ETL testing? Many of you have heard that what is ETL testing? Just a second. Many of you have heard what is like ETL testing and all. But many of you, I can bet like you will be not knowing what is ETL testing. Okay. So it's like, data warehouse testing. The ETL testing will be called in another form as your data warehouse testing, as well as your Informatica testing. Okay, so these are the things will be called for the ETL testing, Informatica testing, data warehouse testing, all these things. So what is mean of ETL testing is nothing but Like ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. I mean, like from where you have to extract data from the source and modify the data according to the business requirement, and then load into the final database. So what exactly our roles will be here in ETL testing? You know, like take an example of one shopping things, like one online app. You take it, like Flipkart. You take it, Flipkart. You will buy product every day, or once in a week, or once in a month, as well as like consider 1 million data will be generated through you, who will be placing new mobile order or new things they'll be buying through the online portal through Flipkart. And you, when you are buying something, no, you are generating data. Or if you are doing transaction in a banking, in any of the banking, if you are doing transaction, you are generating data. I mean, like what? You are going to HDFC Bank, you have a HDFC Bank account, and you are doing ATM withdrawal, or you are depositing money to the bank, and so you are generating data. So those data will be considered as a raw data, which will be stored in a source side. Okay, which will be stored in a source side, and that has to move to the final database with all modification required. If any modification required in between, that has to be modified in between the between source and target, and then it will be loaded to the final database where your data will be stored for the future application, for the history purpose, so that in future they'll if you want your statement to be generated, bank statement to be generated for 1 year, 10 years back, you want to get your bank statement and all, they will get it from the target database. So there only,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
like you check your network connection.
Sir, actually, your voice is not coming clear.
Please check your
Sir, my internet connection is good, sir. Actually, I have checked 2 times, sir.
yeah, like others, can you confirm, are you able to hear
Internet
me?
connection is
Yes, Jayant, I can hear your
So
voice.
voice is good, no problem.
Yeah,
Priyanka, please
voice
check
is
your,
good.
Yeah,
Priyanka,
nice.
please check your
Nice.
net.
Yes, sir. Voice is good, sir.
Priyanka, please check your network connection. You log in and log out and log in again. Okay. Others are not facing problem, so it's not a problem.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You join now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Due to some net issue, I was unable to log in. Now I logged in.
No problem. Just be on call only. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's like the final data will be stored in a target system where if you want your statement to be generated after 10 years, after 5 years, it will be generated through the final database. So our job is to validate that data when the data will pass from the source to target. So an ETL testing will be, like it will be applicable for all the places where data will be generated, like where it will be your banking domain, all banking domain, your SBI, HDFC, Citibank, whatever the bank, Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank. So many banks are there in India. As well, all over the world also, it will be thousands of banks will be there. You know that, okay? So, like all banks need their data warehouse to be created, their ETL project to be done. And moreover, the online app, Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, your so many apps are there. So wherever you are purchasing something or your data will be generated, those are stored in a database. Your telecom domain, like you are doing any transaction, any payment with the your number to recharge your number, or any kind of things, you pay the money and the things, or your call records and all, it will be stored in a final database. Okay, your if you are buying insurance from the insurance company, those are also the data generation. And so many companies are there, insurance one, retail one, when you go and buy purchase in a Reliance Fresh, Big Bazaar, D-Mart, so many other part of the retail shops are there. So when you go to the shopping complex and you buy something, so there you are generating data. So business people, they want to store those data for the final for the history purpose, and they want to generate some reports so that they'll be able to take a decision in the end of the year, like end of the year or after 6 months or monthly, they will check the business progress, how much they are able to sell and all these things. So these are the things ETL testing you are going to validate, and then the final data will be stored in a target system. Okay, so why we need ETL testing? Very interesting part this is. Why we need ETL testing? Why we need ETL testing? Why as a fresher or as a new person, as a non-IT background, as a gap people, why you should go for the ETL testing? Why don't you go for the other things? One thing I'll tell you honestly, like if you trust me or not, you check with anyone else. ETL testing is very easy. No worries. Manual testing is also very easy, but you will get very minimum call in manual testing. There will be not much opening in manual testing. After manual testing, you have to learn ETL testing only for further, like growth. Once you have worked for 2-3 years in a manual testing, your salary will be stopped there. Okay, your growth will be stopped there. But you have to come to ETL testing, or you have to go to the automation. But why we need ETL testing? ETL testing is easy to learn, easy to learn, easy to crack interview, easy to survive in an industry. ETL testing is easy to learn. ETL testing is easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and easy to survive in a company. I'll get many calls from the student. Okay, so I'll get many calls from the student. They will say that I have gone to the automation tester as a Selenium Java I have learned, and then I am not able to survive industry because I'm not good in coding. As well as many people, I am a Snowflake developer, I am an Informatica developer. So many people, they will come with these are the issue. Can you please teach me testing profile, and so that I'll be able to survive. So choose, whenever you are going for the first time in IT company, choose what you can do. Okay, choose easy way to enter into IT, survive for 1 or 2 years. Then if you want to enhance your skill, you go for the bigger things, but not in starting only. If you'll try to eat stones, you cannot eat it, correct? So just make sure that take a easy step, get into the IT company, okay, survive for 1 or 2 years, okay, then you learn something cloud or something, whatever you want to learn, that time you can learn it. But ETL testing is a gateway, easiest gateway for to enter in a IT company, easiest gateway. Why I'm saying that, many people based
Hello,
on the
sir. Interrupting, sir.
just let me complete, and then you can go ahead. Okay, it will take another 15
Sir,
minutes.
actually, na virtual background is taking longer than expected to load, sir. In my screen, showing virtual background is taking longer than expected to load. So I think, sir, maybe this reason, sir. Actually, your voice is continuous breaking for me, sir. Unable
Priyanka,
to speak
It is
clearly.
your network issue. It is
Priyanka,
not happening with
Sir,
all
my
of us.
network is Geo Prime, sir. Sir, my network is Geo Prime. Sir, already.
Sir, I'm hearing your voice perfectly.
yeah, Priyanka, if you
Yeah, your voice is nice.
Priyanka, if you are not able to
Sir,
hear,
this is my Wi-Fi network, sir.
yeah, I got it. Just listen me also, okay? So if you are not able to hear it, it's okay. We are going to share the recording.
Recorded.
You will get the recorded video also. You try your network connections. Everyone is fine, and please don't interrupt in between, so that like flow will break, and then it will go a little bit more time it will take. Okay, so next one will be where I was there. So ETL testing is easiest gateway to enter into IT companies, and if you'll go for manual testing, you will have very less call. No problem. It is easy only. Okay, it is easy only because it's need zero coding, but very minimum calls will be there. Okay, if you'll go for Selenium Java, you ask with anyone, Java programming is the toughest in IT programming. If you go for anything, Selenium automation or whatever it may be, you need 6 months time to learn, then another 3 months time to like crack the interview. Cracking the interview also nightmare. You will have like Java is like ocean. from anywhere they will ask you question, it will be so difficult. I also tried, and then it took me so long to prepare my things, and then I focus on ETL testing majorly only. Okay, so I worked on Selenium Java also, but a few years I have worked. Okay, so this will be very difficult for the new people. If you are looking for the first time to enter in IT companies, or you are a manual tester, then this will give you the better scope, better salary, each and everything. Okay, so nowadays they are coming with the ETL testing with cloud also, but they are not implemented in all the project. But in upcoming 2 years, 3 years, it will be ETL testing in a cloud. So when cloud is coming in picture, no, they are paying more salary by without asking only, they will pay you more money, because this is very latest technology in ETL testing. And 2 years back, I was worried about the scope of ETL testing, but now I can say that very nice scope for ETL testing, because cloud also getting included in ETL testing, and you will have lots of opening for that. Okay, so ETL testing is easy to learn because it's SQL based technology. Basic SQL will be asked, select a statement. I'm going to teach you that. I'm going to teach you that each and everything. Okay, for the ETL testing, it's all theory. Apart from SQL, or everything will be theory, and you will be able to easily, you will be able to crack. So easy to learn, easy to crack interview, easy to survive in an industry. So ETL testing is like that. So manual testing, less opening. Automation Java is like it will take 6 months to learn, then another 6 months to crack the interview. So it's so difficult. Anyone who would learn this automation part, no, you can think that like you can you can assume that I'm not lying it. You know that how much difficult this Java programming, and it's how much time it is taking to learn. If anyone is there in this batch who learned recently Java programming and all. Okay, so next one will be scope for ETL testing. As like I told you, the cloud now, whatever I told you, that the data will move from the source to target, and the target will have all history data, where like 20 years, 30 years data will be there. And what they are doing now, they are moving their target database to the cloud also. So two places your data will be stored. One is local database, local target database, as well as it will be stored in a cloud database. So because of the cloud, when it is coming with the ETL testing, it's a very nice scope in future, and they are paying very good salary, very more openings. So many openings are there in this ETL testing. Okay, in nowadays. Okay, because they are all modernizing all this ETL testing, whatever the traditional project is done. So you'll have very good scope. So I'm not lying it. You can check with any of person who is working as a ETL tester. They will tell you. If you come or you don't come, I don't care. But my job is to don't lie to anyone. I'll give you the true information wherever I'll get. Okay, it's not like a 1 day job. This is batch 22. Okay, we have finished so many batch earlier, and this is batch 22. So all the students, whoever joined, they have joined with the trust. It's not like they don't have trust and they have joined, they have thrown their money and they have joined with the 0% faith. It's not like that. Whoever is whoever is trusting me, they are joining. So I mentioned, you have seen that 100% job guaranteed many places. So how it will be 100% job guaranteed? Okay, so it's a very simple things. I'm going to give you full syllabus. I'm going to give you full syllabus. Very in a your
Hi, sorry to interrupt. This is Anita actually.
hmm.
My query is actually 9 years experience in manual. So is there any scope for ETL when I mean now I'm the learning ETL and then I can survive?
Yeah, that's what like I'm saying that. I'll tell you one story. Okay. So 3 or 4 batch back, one person joined, like he was from the IBM company. Okay, so he was having 14 years of experience. Okay, 14 years of experience in manual testing he was working. So I have 11 years of experience, frankly speaking. Okay, so there is no lie and all. You can check my resume also. It's like that. Okay, so he joined and he told me that you have 11 years of experience. I have 14 years of experience. My package is 13 lakhs per annum now, current package. So I'm getting what is my total number of experience? Less than that only I'm getting now, and I'm not getting growth and all. How will you help me to increase my salary and change the technical? So I told them, you join it, you will get it definitely. Okay, you will get it definitely. You join the session. He joined the session. 1 month he prepared very nicely. He was all the time he was doubting me. I told that everything, each and every setup is done. You just learn, follow my instruction, you will get it. And I was telling him sir only. Okay, because he was senior to me, and so he was able to get job. 3 offer letter he was able to get from 3 companies. Okay, so in within 1.5 months. And he really put effort. It's not like he joined and then he was sleeping. He put effort, and then he was able to manage 3 offer letter. Initially he was getting 13 lakhs. One package he got 26 lakhs. One package he got 24 or 25 lakhs. And same company retained him for 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs. So I told him that you join for the same company only where you are, grab that opportunity. After 6 months, 8 months, you join it again, you will get 32, 30 lakh, 33 lakh. So like that, I'm helping people.
As you
get
told
job.
earlier, I done actually selenium. So what I'm actually
How many months it took your time?
actually I took it is a 3 months course, and then when I completed my course, I started taking interviews. But what I experienced is they are actually expecting experience.
More from yeah. So it's very difficult Java programming. No, they will as like you are going for 7-8 years of experience. No, they will ask like anything. Like you have to write the online exam for Java coding and all. Many times you have written it. Maybe you have wrote it. Correct. You have to
Yes.
execute and all. So that is difficult. But here it's not like that. SQL-based technologies, simple select a statement queries will be there. And that also, if you are able to like consider that one scenario-based question one person asks you. With me also it happening. When I'm taking interview. If I ask you that like some of the scenario-based question, if you are able to write query, 70-80%, if you are able to match it, I'll feel that you know the logic, but it will take some time to write the coding. So I'll assume that you have the basic knowledge of this and you will be able to write the query. What I'll do, I'll consider your question is answer is correct only 70-80% only. You have to drive it correctly, but it should be in a proper way. So that is what it's very easy. You check with your colleague and all. ETL testing is very easy. It's not difficult. Easy to survive and all these things. Okay. So these are
My concern is whether I'm getting a job after this ETL. That is my main concern, because
100% you will get it. Are you ready to work hard? Like 100% you are ready to give. Anyway, like you have learned manual testing, half of the work is done. Okay. Half of the work I'll teach you all the aspects. Okay. You will get it. You have to trust me. I'll get you a job in ETL testing.
okay, yeah.
Okay. So
I
guys,
need to increase my package. That is my
how much
main
is it?
goal. Sorry,
Yeah, like approximately how much is that? Approximately.
my package
Yes.
around 7.
Yeah. So 7 years of experience, 7 lakhs you are getting. So it will go up to 13 to 14 now. If you will be holding first offer letter, cross like you can take it sorry, what is that? Counter offer letter with maybe 15-16 you will get up to you can say up to 13 to 16 you will get it.
Okay, but I have 9 plus with the 7 years 7L package. So I just
9 years you have, then you will get 16 to minimum you will get it. 15-16 to minimum I'll make it you get it. Just give your best. You learn that whatever the full course we are going to deal, you will get it. Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'll arrange the few people once you join the classes, no, once you complete 70-80% syllabus, I'll connect with you the person. We have a few person who is having 9 years of experience in manual testing, 11 years of experience, and they are able to crack the interviews with them. So they will tell you that how to face the interview for the 9 years. Okay. And even though I'll also help because I have 11 years of experience. Okay. So I'm also currently searching job. So I'll also help you to get you what are the things you have to tell. Okay, let me proceed with the course.
Yeah,
So,
sure. Thanks for
The
your.
freshers. So fresher are eligible for this ETL testing industry. I mean, can do this course.
yeah. Freshers are very much welcome. Mohsin, you joined the session. Mohsin.
No, sir, I can get opportunity with this course or not, sir.
Definitely you
Help
will
of this course.
definitely you will get it. Well,
I mean, is there any requirement of experience for this?
Not required much. If you are fresher also, how much percentage you have
Sorry, sir, in
engineering or
sir, in B 73, sir, and actually I'm MTech fresher, sir. And in
then you
MTech,
go for
84%, sir.
you will get it 100%. You are not a fresher. We'll remove your MTech or this certificate, and then we'll go with the some experience. Okay. We don't need MTech people.
Experience, sir.
I'll explain you in sometimes. Okay. Your name?
Okay, sir.
I'll
Sir,
just
Priyanka Jain.
yeah. I'll explain you full things. Okay. Just give me
Okay,
5 minute time. Let me complete the things, and then we'll explain you how it is going to work out. Okay. Okay. So guys, once we'll finish the each and every topic daily wise, you are going to get your access through the drive. So this is the Google Drive where we have 100 GB of storage, and like if you'll see here, batch 20, batch 19, batch 18, batch 20, batch 17, 16, 15, 14, and batch 22 also we have. So this batch is batch 22. So we are doing batch 21 is going on now, batch 21 and batch 20 is going on. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to share you or through the drive only, like your Unix command. So these are the things I'm going to share with you, like sample resume will be shared, Oracle SQL full recording will be there if you'll go in this. So class recording, how many sessions are there? So that many sessions it will be uploaded there. Your interview related question and answer, scenario based question, important complex interview question, your company interview questions, all these things, class recording will be there. Okay, your software installation software will be provided, and then I have a YouTube video also. So there also class document, how the class document will be shared. Like this, your class document will be shared through the this part. Your class video, a class document will be shared for your practice purpose only. Like if you'll see here, built-in functions. So in detail level, I have explained each and every topic. I'm going to explain you the theoretical wise as well as I'm going to explain you the practical wise also. So I'll give you the query as well as the theory part. If you'll see my screen, you will be able to see all these things. So these are the query what we are going to share with you with including your theory part also. Okay, so it will help you to learn the things. Software installation part will be I'll be helping you. Software installation part, if you'll see how many pages we have, 77 page of SQL notes we have. Apart from that, we have so this is your SQL part, and then coming back to the manual testing, we'll provide you the manual testing basic document. Whatever the things are required for ETL testing, for the manual testing steps, I'm going to explain you, as well as document will be shared. Informatica is a tool what we are going to use. So what are the, some person asked me what are the tools will be used here. So we are going to use database as a Oracle SQL developer as a database tool, and Informatica as a ETL tool, ALM as a test management tool. These are the tools we are going to use in our ETL testing this course. Okay, so Informatica, how many recordings will be there? So that I'm going to make it Informatica docs. Okay, so Informatica docs, if you'll go, it is having so many pages. This is very important for your this is very important for your like ETL testing project, because 37 pages are there. Here only I'm going to teach you that what you are going to do as a part of your ETL tester. As a part of your ETL tester, what are the work you are going to do? Okay, writing test case, how to validate data, all these things, data warehouse, the recordings as well as the document interview questions will be shared. Your demo class recordings will be shared. Basic Unix command will be explained. ALM part, okay, ALM part, agile methodology. So whatever the things are required to crack the interviews, I'm going to teach you, and each and every class recording and docs will be shared through the Google Drive. You will all have access for this one. Okay, coming back to the why I am saying that 100% job guaranteed, because many of you people with the freshers experience, you'll have 70%, 80% of percentage in your degree, as well as you will be having gap of 10 years, 5 years, 15 years, all these things. So if you, whatever the syllabus I'll provide you, if you follow my instruction, you will be able to crack the full syllabus in a 20 days, and within 30 days you will be capable of getting the job. Many people, they do fast track course and they take the previous class recording and then they get the job in a 30 days only. So you will get, everyone is capable to get the job 100%, but we need your 100% effort. Honestly, someone will join and they will, yeah, I'll give 100% effort. After 15 days they'll busy with the some marriage and all these things. How will you get that then? In that case, job, if you'll be roaming here and there, if you'll not put effort, 100% job effort, then how will you crack the interview? Because we are going with the 3 years, 4 years, 5 years of experience. You have to follow my instruction. What you have to tell in interview and all, you have to follow my instruction. Then 100%, if you follow my instruction, that job is guaranteed. Job is there. Okay, job is there for you. Just you have to grab it with your 100% effort, honestly. If you're not honest with your effort, you will struggle for sure. Okay, if you want your job 100%, IT job 100%, you will get it. Believe me guys, everyone is getting it. Whoever is serious, they are getting it. Okay, so please put your 100% effort. Honestly, you will get your job. I will get your job in your hand. Okay, if you'll while giving you mock, if you'll give the mock to me, and if you'll perform very nicely, I'll give you freelancing project and all. We have so many requests are coming for that.
So sorry to interrupt.
Yeah,
I
it's
have
okay.
one question. Like, I am totally means I do not have any kind of scope or area of interest for the coding language. So that's the reason why I am working for technical, non-technical process, basically in support project for 5 years. So in ETL testing, may I know like how this coding will work, because I don't have any idea for this coding since from
So
the
this
beginning.
is the first time you are joining here, Ipsita?
Yes.
Because some of the name with Ipsita Jana, one of my student is there, like in batch 20, she is there. So I thought like you have joined again or what?
This is my first class with you.
Okay, no problem. So I'll explain it. That question and answer part will come, and then raise your question again. I'll explain you how it will work.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So these are the things are there. So mock the class recording after each and every class will be shared. Your mock interviews, once you'll complete your school, will take it. Full syllabus when you'll complete, that time you'll take it. Whatever the lagging area will be there, will help you to clarify it, and you will learn it again. Guys, don't do drawing here, man. Okay, so these are the things. As I told you that we have Sindhuja also, who recently cracked 2 interviews. So she'll be taking your basic mock interviews first, and then final mock interviews I'll be taking you. How to tell, what are the things, roles and responsibility, your project explanation, how to face interview, everything I'm going to guide you through online. This is complete 100% online. You can call me anytime. You can message me anytime in WhatsApp. Okay. Even though 1 o'clock also, I sometimes I reply in the night to people if someone will ping me. Okay. If I'll be awake. So these are the things are there. Weekend, this is weekend batch. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Morning time you will have the class. Morning time you will have class 8 to 9:30. Okay. 8 to 9:30 Friday, and Saturday, Sunday you will have a 8 to 10 o'clock, 2 hour session, and we'll be able to complete in 35 days max, 30 to 35 days. My target is to complete complete in 1 month, but it will go 4-5 days extra also. Don't worry on that. Okay. So this is what weekend batch, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So
So
just
Friday, Saturday, Sunday is a morning class. I mean 8 to 9:30.
8 to 9:30 on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, it will be 8 to 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. And weekdays, you will be free for 5 days, say 4 days, correct? So we'll be arranging the group discussion.
Yes.
We'll be arranging the group discussion in that. Okay. So you will not face any problem in that. So many people, they'll come with the gap. I'll discuss this in the last when I'll stop the, in this only I can access, I can explain. So this is batch 22. Okay. Okay, this is batch 22. We have completed successfully batch up to batch 19. So batch 20, batch 21 is running. Okay, batch 20 and batch 21 is still running, and this is batch 22. Okay, so many people, everyone like coming with the gap as well as fresher. So gap people, we have a setup for the like you have received a message yesterday. Previously we were charging 15K for the document, and you have to pay to the people who are providing it. We have struggled a lot to find out the best who will provide you the document and all these things to fill your gap. Okay, so will be not in directly will be involved in this, but we have a proper resource who will help you for get fill your gap. Will not take your payment, will not take your document, but will guide you that in what way you can go. Let me stop the recording so that I can talk freely.
Education gap, sir.
More
Education gap, sir.
Which year pass out?
BTech 2016, sir. But
2016.
yeah, after 10th, I completed in a diploma of polytechnic, sir. Completed in 2009.
2009 diploma.
Yes, sir.
And BTech in 2016.
In BTech and for diploma.
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, Satya.
Yeah, hi, hello.
Yeah, someone was talking.
Hi, hi, sir. This is
Satya. Let
yeah.
Satya complete. Yeah, Satya, go ahead. Tell me first.
Hello.
You will get it. No worries. Like 2016 pass out, no? 4 or 5 years we'll put, and then you will get it. No worries in that. Okay.
Diploma and BTech 4 years gap, sir. And
that is
after
fine.
that,
Is fine. See, if you'll go TCS and all, there'll be more than 2 years of gap you cannot show. But other company, we have thousands of companies are there. So they will take you, some of the company, but ready to give you 100% on effort honestly. You will get 100%, you will get job. BA, BCom people, 97 pass out people, they are getting job.
Okay, sir.
1997 people is one of the student in BCom. So you consider any degree in between that, you will get it. Okay, yes, tell me.
BTech 2016 passed out, sir, and MTech 2017
MTech
pursuing,
will
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
But one subject backlog, sir.
Which one is clear? BTech is clear, no? BTech will take it 2016 pass out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
don't worry, we'll get it. Just be ready to give your 100% effort. Honestly, follow my instruction. You will have your job in 1.5 months for sure. If you'll not work hard, you will not get it. Definitely.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to follow my instruction. You have to learn whatever I'm saying.
Sir, batch Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sir.
Yes, yes.
Every
Friday.
classes.
Tomorrow will be the first classes.
Okay.
Hello, sir. This is Shreya.
Yes.
Can you please repeat your time for weekend? So,
Weekend classes will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, morning time. Friday will be 8 to 9:30, 1.5 hour class. Saturday, Sunday will be 2 hours class, 8 to 10. Okay. So tomorrow is Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to take 1.5 hour. Day after tomorrow also 2 hours class will be there Sunday. Tomorrow is a first class. I don't want to make burden on everyone. So tomorrow it will be 1.5 hour class, morning 8 to 9:30. Sunday will have 8 to 10 o'clock class. Okay.
so it's every weekend from Friday to Sunday, right?
Yeah, Friday to Sunday.
Okay. Thank
Hi,
you.
Jayant. This is Siti.
Yeah, say you tell me.
Yeah.
Sir, in the screen, they're showing other batch also.
Let's say complete.
Yeah.
Sir, they're showing other weekend batch Monday to Thursday.
Yeah, Shruti, tell me once again.
Yeah, Jayant. I have 2.9 years of experience in HCL as an analyst. So I worked on support.
Yeah. I discussed with you.
Yeah, I have only zero knowledge of this testing.
So everyone will have zero knowledge.
Yeah, in 1.5 months, if I get a job, then in real-time projects, like after getting the job in real-time project, how it will be helping? Like your training, how would help me to, like in real-time projects?
I'll explain you. Just go on mute. Shruti?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, just let me explain her doubt. Just say you ask your question, then I'll explain her.
Hi. Yeah. Hi, sir. Actually, I had something about background verification. One of my friend working as a HR in MNC, he just told me that don't put a certifications, take certifications from Hyderabad and Bangalore locations because most of the candidates coming from these locations. So you will definitely get rejected in a background verification. So don't put a certification from these locations. So how will you manage these things?
We have Pune also, Mumbai also. We have the certificate. No worries in that. Okay, Delhi also we have. Okay, so if you don't want Bangalore, Hyderabad, we'll get it from a different location. But see, everyone, so many people are doing like this. Okay, so if you'll go for the big company, the permanent position, definitely you will get caught. But we are not targeting 3 companies like Accenture, TCS, and Mindtree. Other company we are going to get the job. No worries in that.
Okay.
Just follow my instruction, you will have it.
Jayant.
Yeah.
Hey, Jayant.
Let me complete Shruti question first.
Okay.
Yeah. Shruti, like last time also we spoke, I guess, remember 2-3 days back, you told me 2.9 years of experience and I explained your full thing. Okay, go on. Okay, so what we are going to do, like see 1 month, you will learn the things, you will put effort for at least 3 hours a day, you will give. It's very easy, it's not so difficult. Okay, the things, if you'll see, it's so easy. Like only the basic queries you have to learn, not to the very complex level. And then apart from SQL, all the things are theoretical only. You don't have to do anything. Only you have to learn how to speak in an interview. You will be able to crack, and you are genuine person. You don't have to worry on that. You will get job with a good package. Definitely 100% you are going to get it. Okay. So you don't have to worry on that. You will, whatever the package you are getting, 70 to 80% hike you will get definitely, and with the good future. Okay. So just give your best, learn the things, follow my instruction, you will get it. Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, Jayant. Then my question was regarding the syllabus. Like the syllabus, like we are going for Oracle, SQL, and Informatica, right? Like
yes.
the DWH. So while putting the resume, like we're going to project ourselves as like Informatica ETL testers, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So like how good, because I think Informatica is like a proprietary software, it's not an open source one, right? So how it's like will work for learning sessions at all?
Yeah, learning session is very limited for the Informatica. And you know, like out of 10 interviews, 7, 8, they will consider Informatica only for the your ETL testing. So that's why we are having the very common tool. We are having other tools also as a ETL test, the ETL tool, but we are taking as a famous tool as a Informatica only. And believe me, guys, only 2-minute job in Informatica. Okay. Other than that, all are your data validation in a database only. Your whole career will go off. If you are working in ETL testing, your database will only whole career will go off. Documentation it will go off. Informatica tool is for the developers, not for the much for the testers. Okay, it's for developers. Whoever like Informatica developers are there, they will use that tool frequently because it's not that easy tool. Even though like so many things are there in that. Okay, so you have to make it so much like so much mappings and all. But ETL tester don't have to do it. It's a very easy job for ETL tester in Informatica. 2-minute job. That's all. Okay, that I'm going to teach you. Don't worry that. Okay. Well, how much
Sir,
if the things are required to place you in a company, each and everything, 100% syllabus will be delivered. You don't have to worry on that. Yeah, next question.
sir,
Please.
and do we need to learn Python also?
Python basic,
Some
I'll
kind,
teach you.
yeah, some companies asking in the job description. So
Yeah,
we need to learn some. Yeah.
Python basic, I will teach you. The basic queries, like 2, 3 classes, 4 classes I'll take. Okay. So that basic I'll teach you how to write queries and all, and what are the tuples, what are the list and all. I'll teach you that one. The end of the session. That will be not included in this session. That is you count extra. ETL testing, pure ETL testing will take 1 month of time.
Sir, I have one question.
Hi, Jay.
Yeah, Sita, tell me. Yeah, Manjula.
So, sir, I have one question. Like the previous experience which I have is the designation of technical process specialist. So, like, if I get a job for proper technique, I mean, for the proper ETL testing, means they will definitely verify the previous.
See what work you have done, then no one is going to verify. In current company, consider that I'm working. If I'm working on a manual testing now currently, and I moved in ETL testing, okay, in next company they are not going to ask project people that on tell me on what works he has done, manual testing or automation testing or development, what works he done. So what you will project in your resume, that only they'll assume it, and only verification, no, how the verification works, they will go to the company, they will verify that whether this employee was a part of your company or not, from this tenure to this tenure. That's all. They are not going to check what work you have done, which project you have worked.
Okay,
Project
so
part, your work experience, you can change it anytime.
okay, so they don't check the designation, right?
No, they will not check it. Project wise, they will not check it. Don't worry that. I have full setup. Or you don't have to worry on that. Which one will harmful for you? I'm not going to suggest you. Okay. Yeah, Manjula.
Yeah, Jay. Jay, I have one doubt regarding this. Like after completion of this course, will I be able to put an experience both into manual and automation? Will both be covered in this
So
course?
manual and automation, you have learned somewhere?
No.
Then how?
For ETL, no.
No, like ETL we don't need, but how you have knowledge on manual and automation? You worked somewhere?
Yeah, for normal Selenium with Java, I have an experience, and with the normal manual, I have an experience.
How many years
I've
of
been
experience
working
total?
3+ years of experience.
3+. Like, overall is 3 years.
Yeah.
What difficulty you are facing there in Java Selenium coding part?
No difficulty, just like want to upskill myself into different types of testing.
Oh, cool. So you
That's
we
it.
can
Yeah.
we can put one project in a ETL testing, because see, you are open for all the three part, like manual also, automation also. You will be open for ETL testing also. When you will go for job search, no, they will take you first compared to others.
Okay, but like when I complete this course, right? So can I actually put it on a resume that I have an hands-on experience?
Yeah, you can put one project will make it. That's what I'm telling. No, project level they will not check it. So one project will tell that we have worked on ETL testing. Currently, I'm working on ETL
Yeah.
testing. Earlier, we have a work on 1 year on automation, 1 year in manual. Manual testing will remove it. Okay, 1.5 year in automation, 1.5 year in ETL testing. So manual testing anyway, you will not get openings. They'll not pay you also more. So ETL testing only will pay you more, or automation will pay you more. Both the things will pay you more. But ETL testing, your work life will be very easy. 3 to 4 hours per day. Also, if you'll work in ETL testing project, no, your work will be done. For your full work will be done.
Okay, so this course will be covering only for manual, right? Then
ETL
not for
testing.
automation.
ETL testing.
Yeah,
Yes.
correct. ETL.
Manual testing basic will be taught, whatever the topics are required to get you a place in a company.
Okay.
Sir, can you provide me the course details of ETL testing?
Yeah, we'll after question and session, I'll explain the course content. What are the
And sir,
things
how
there.
many month of course, sir?
Till now, how many months I'm telling, Priyanka, tell me.
Sir, 2 months. I mean, this is a 2-month course, sir.
1 month or 35 days only. 1 month.
1
course.
month and 35 days.
1 month course.
Okay, sir.
1 week plus minus you take it.
Okay, sir. And sir, will you provide me any hands-on project
Yeah,
after this course?
whatever the things are required to place you in a company, I'll support you like anything. Okay, we'll have group discussion, we'll have mock interviews, we'll have interview preparation session, we'll have resume preparation sessions, we'll have a Naukri profile updation session. So many sessions will be there. When you will be part of this, you will be attending so many discussion sessions. Okay, and I'll teach you that what are the things you have to tell in interview, your roles and responsibility, your project explanation, how to face the interview, what is the speed of interview. All these things I'm going to teach you when you'll complete your full course.
So, sir, what is the validity of this course after 1 month?
What validity you want? This is not.
No, actually, I mean, this is, I mean, the for code, getting a job. I mean, is there any?
See, people are coming after 6 months also. Like they join the course, 15 days later, they'll have something, their brother is not well, or some marriage function and all this thing. So they will get disturbed one month or 15 days like that. After that also they are coming and they are joining back the batch. I'm not charging anything for that. So you can join anytime after 6 months or 1 year. That is also fine. I am not going to charge you extra anything.
For course also, sir. Okay.
For course only I'm saying. I'm not saying that what you are for course only I'm saying. If you want to rejoin after 1 month also, 2 months also, that is fine. If you have worked 6 months somewhere, 1 year somewhere, and after that again you want to switch to some other company with a good package, there also when you'll come, I'll help you. You can rejoin the session. That not a problem. We are not going to charge you because you are an old student. So we are not going to charge, but next batch onwards it is going to increase the fees. Okay, next question. Yeah, Priyanka, next question.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes, Sam.
There is a question, how much duration takes on SQL or Informatica?
1 month course duration, 1 month course duration plus or minus 1 month, 1 week you can say, 35 days max. Yeah.
But how much days takes on SQL? How much days takes on Informatica? That's my question.
How many days?
How much for SQL or Informatica or
See,
ETL?
approximately 12 to 13 sessions will go for the, no, not 12 to 13. It will be 9 to 10 session for the SQL. Then one session or 2 sessions will go for the DWH, 1.5 to 2 session in DWH data warehouse. Then your Informatica will be 4 session, and manual testing and all that will be separate. In one session only manual, ALM and Agile will be over, and then 1 session for the project. Okay. So now we are making 2-hour session. No? So here it will be number of sessions will decrease definitely.
Hi,
Yeah.
sir. This is
Hi, Jayant.
Priyanka.
Hi, Jayant.
Yeah, Priyanka, tell me.
Sir, I am passed out in 2017
Hmm.
in degree batch, sir. I'm not BTech.
Yes, that is fine, no
I
problem.
okay, sir. I work in 2 years in experience in sir, in college. It's experience, it's work or not.
Which year to which year you have worked?
I'm 18 to 20, sir.
18 to 20, it will not work out because we are going to show some experience, no? Like 4 years, 5 years. So
Okay, sir.
we have to hide that one.
Sir, I'm not BTech background. I'm BCom.
Yeah, that is fine. BA, BCom people are also getting job. No worries. If you'll show your talent, if you learn the course properly, you will get it. All
Okay, sir.
degrees nowadays, all degree they are asking for in IT companies.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Jayant.
Yes. Yeah, tell me.
Hi, Jayant. I have some arrears in, inter to degree. You have
Degree
2
which
years
year?
gap. Inter to degree. Yeah, degree. Inter is MPC. I have some arrears. 2 years gap. I'm passed out after 2 years.
After 2 years, but which year pass out?
Actually, my 98 to 2000 is the inter. Some arrears 2002 to 2022, 2002. It's the gap after my pass on the inter. After that, 2002, I'm joining the degree. 2 years after 2 years, I am in 2 years gap. Arrears, some arrears. Is any problem?
Which year pass out?
2007 passed out. I'm joining the inter 2002.
That is fine, no problem. Only TCS is having gap problem and Accenture is having that.
After
Company
that,
anyway we are
my
not.
MCA passed out 2010, almost 6 to 7 years in the computer lecture I'm working. I have some documents also reviewing the experience.
Then fine, no, like MCA you are passed in 2010. From there only will consider your things. So you will
Okay.
get a job, no problem in that. No worries in that. Okay.
I'm worried that inter to degree to PG some
No,
gaps.
see, few companies, the top companies only they'll have problem. They will have problem with the the Accenture or TCS only. They will gap people, but we are not going to go in that one as a permanent contract. Only we are going.
Okay. After that, I have awareness in Teradata, SQL, Informatica. Also, I have awareness.
Yeah, that will be added advantage if you have basic knowledge on that. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't worry.
Is there, Form 16 is genuine or?
Form 16 genuine, they are saying, and it's getting clear in many companies.
PF documents all are include 12,000, right?
Yeah, all included.
Okay, good. Okay.
Very less.
Hi, so
Yeah, tell me.
yeah, how much knowledge we need to explore in this SQL?
SQL
this
will
ETL
be,
test.
see the level of SQL, no? Like many people, they are saying that the content what I have prepared, it's awesome. Okay, so you will get all the session properly, like all the definition wise, your query wise, even though we have the scenario based and scenario based questions are there, and your scenario based questions are there, complex interview questions are there separately. So I'll ask you to prepare that also, and I'll be taking you from the scratch. If you don't know writing also, basic query from basic only, I'll hold your hand and I'll teach you how to write all these queries.
Hello, hi, sir. This is Praveen.
Yeah, Praveen.
Sir,
So
my
whoever
actual
don't know the writing of basic SQL queries also, no worries. From basic, I'll take it. Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Naveen. Venkat.
Sir, my actual passed out must be 2018, but I had one backlog, arrear, which is cleared in 22. So is there will be any problem for joining?
BTech?
Yeah, BTech mechanical. Yes, sir.
And how much percentage you have?
I have around 55, sir.
Then it will be difficult. As a
Hello.
freshers, we can try it. Okay, better saying no, it will not work out. Learn the full course. As a freshers, will try it because many companies, a small startup company, what they do, they hire freshers who is having like less percentage and all, but they will pay you less. Like 30,000 initially, 35,000, 40,000, like that only they'll pay you. They'll not pay you 70, 80,000 for sure, because you have the like the areas and percentage also less, 25, 30, 40,000 up to that you can get it from the basic initial company, startup company, small company. But saying no and surrendering yourself, prepare it and then get it.
Hello.
If you learn it properly, you will get it. Okay. Yeah. Tell me.
Hello, gents.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah. Sorry. Tell me. Good morning. Venkat or sorry?
Venkat.
Yeah, Venkat. Tell me, Venkat.
I have already completed in 2013 MBA. After that, 2015 DED, Diploma in Education, is put it there. Resume is mentioned.
2013, what you have prepared? BTech?
MBA.
MBA you have prepared. Okay. And after that, when you have prepared, when you have completed other thing?
Other thing, 2015.
Then fine. No, from 2015.
Diploma education.
That is fine. That is fine. We'll go for the, after 2017, we'll go for the experience. 5 years or 6 years we'll put and then we'll get. But you need to put effort, okay?
Okay.
You will get it definitely, but you have to show the talent.
Okay.
Okay.
All academic years are the percentage is 60 below or 60 above. I have some.
No. See, if you are having gap, then
Okay.
50 also working fine, no problem. We are going with the experience, no?
And when 10th 40, inter 44, and degree 55, and
That is
MCA 74%.
That is fine. But with the experience document, percentage does not matter.
Okay. Yeah.
But fresher, as a fresher, no? Percentage sometimes it matter, but that also, if people will be technically very sound, if they will take it up to next level of preparation, they will get the job in small company or medium level of company.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Jayant. I'm Vinay.
Yeah, Vinay, tell me.
Yeah. Actually, I have in 10th standard I have 69%. In Inter is 63%, and in BTech 62%. Is it enough?
Yeah, that's fine. Which year pass out?
2015 passed out.
What I'm saying, no, if your year of experience is there, you don't have to worry on the percentage. If you're 55% also, if you have a gap, come, we'll get it. Because based on the experience, you will get it. Percentage
Actually,
will not matter.
Yeah, actually, I'm having knowledge in manual testing. How many days it will take to crack the interview?
Manual testing, it will take a number of days, but learn ETL testing, manual testing knowledge will be helpful here.
Yeah, both are similar. Manual testing and ETL testing.
Both are not similar. ETL testing is a technical. Manual testing is a manual. And package also you will have more. Openings will be more. Scope will be more in future. You can stay for 5-10 years in one project.
Okay, actually, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah, with compared to automation or ETL, which is best?
See, automation, if you ask me, okay, ETL testing automation scope is same only. Okay, by package wise, ETL testing, we work on the business data. Automation, we work to automate the your web applications and all. Okay. And automation, everyone cannot do it. By writing, I can say you that automation, everyone cannot do it. You need 5 months, 4, 5 months, 6 months to learn the course. QS Spider in Bangalore, it is taking 6 months to teach that. And then it's a Java-based technology, which is very, very difficult to learn. It's like ocean. Once you go in a ocean, when you go in a deep, you will try to survive, but you will not able to survive. And once you got the job also, no, when you will be working a real-time scenario in automation, it will be so difficult. It will be so difficult.
Okay, not in nowadays. After a few years, is it help to our career in ETL testing?
ETL testing is having career for 5 years, 10 years also because it's a business data. Correct. You are going to stop transaction in bank? No.
Yeah.
But you are going to stop buying product online. You will be doing more online work. Correct. In future, so it will
Yes,
increase only. So
Okay.
it's how much data you will generate, that much work will come. Yeah. Tell me.
Hello. Yeah, I'm 2021 passed out.
Yes.
Can I crack interview without experience, or else do I need to keep experience?
Sorry,
For
both
1
we
year.
will try. Both we
Okay.
will try. We'll give you the experience document, initial document free only, without any charge. Okay. When you'll get offer letter, that time you can pay. And moreover, you can crack the interview as a fresher also. 2 resume will prepare. Either fresher or either 1.5 year of experience.
Okay, sir. Hello. This is Rajeshwari.
Yeah, Rajeshwari.
Hello. Sir, I have completed my BCom in 2013, and from 2016 I'm working in Wipro as in a treasury team and in a TALDIS team as an invoice and billing processor.
What is the designation they give?
Without executive.
Then it will work. No, you learn the things. Will transfer that skills to the IT.
Means that the 7 years experience will not work out.
5 years will put as a ETL. 2 years will put as a manual.
Okay.
Okay. So it will work out. Just give your best, you will get it. Same experience will work, and then we'll get it. No need for the fake experience and all.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, tell me.
Hello.
Radhika,
Hello.
you tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, Akshay, you tell me, Akshay.
Hi, Jayant. I had a question.
Yes.
I am having totally 4 years of experience.
Yeah, you told me that
Earlier,
yesterday, I guess. Yesterday or the
yes. Yesterday, I guess the day before yesterday.
Yeah. Then you don't have to worry on that. We discussed already. We'll get it.
And one more thing. I had a doubt, regarding that ETL. Is it like from source we are extracting the data and making ETL process and then saving it to data warehouse? Is it that process?
Yes, same process.
How is it different from data engineering?
Data engineering is a cloud-based technology that you are having something different things. You're working on the cloud part. Here we are doing in a traditional way.
Okay,
like
but
we are on the database only.
Okay. So the process will be the same, right?
No, not same. It will be different. Data engineering is like high level of things. High level in the sense you will be very difficult things you have to do. Like for data engineering, you need ETL testing knowledge, ETL application knowledge. You should have some development knowledge. So many things are required for the data engineering, what I remember.
Main technical tools what we are learning in this course?
Database as well as ETL tool, ALM.
ELM, right?
Yeah, ALM. ALM is a test management tool, how to write test case and all. For your 4 years of experience, I guess this will be best. After that, when you'll have 6 years of experience, you can go for the something in future interesting thing. That time, which one will be leading? That time you will learn it.
Okay.
People used to learn data science and all as a fresher, as an experienced person in the first attempt, automation. So they struggle for the things. Why you have chosen so complex things? Choose easy things, get into IT company, then you learn it. The IT company itself will provide you the free of course training. You will be getting also.
Okay.
And certification too, they will provide you. Just get into the IT. I'm talking about someone else. You know, you are already working. So
Yes.
someone else like who are trying with the difficult path. Initially, only they'll come out of the college. They will choose Java and all, and they will struggle for 3-4 years, and then they'll come back as a manual tester or ETL tester. So use it now. Get your job in ETL testing. Easy to learn, easy to crack interview, and you will be able to survive in industry easily.
Hello.
Yes, Silpa, you have any question?
Hello.
Yes, Silpa.
सर एक्चुअली मैंने एमसीए कंप्लीट हुआ है
कौन सा ईयर?
2015 में। तो मैं ये कोर्स कर सकती हूँ क्या? मेरा 7 ईयर गैप है अभी, मतलब मैं कॉलेज में एज ए लेक्चरर करके वर्क किया हुआ है 3 ईयर। अभी मैंने दिसंबर में ही जॉब छोड़ा है।
हाँ 100% कर सकती है।
हाँ
4 years, 5 years will show as experience, and then we'll get the job. 100%. I told you, 2006 pass out people, they got job with some experience. So 2010 pass out, 1997 people, they got it. Why can't you? You will get first. MCA people are very technically sharp. So you will get it job, and first preferences will be given to MCA people only, because like it's my personal observation, as well as the people also, they are saying that MCA people are technically very sharp.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll get it. Yeah, Radhika, tell me, Radhika.
Yeah, same profile as madam said. Even I am also a lecturer, sir. I have done my MCA with 61% in IGNOU.
Yeah, that is fine. See, we as a gap people, we don't have to worry.
Okay.
Gap people, we are going with some experience document.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, Deepak here, Jay.
Yeah, tell me, Deepak.
See, I have completed my BTech in 2014.
Yes.
And completed my MTech in 2017.
2017 MTech. That is fine. No problem.
Yeah, from 17 I have experience into non-IT into business manager in Byju's.
Business manager. What designation they gave? Business manager.
It's a business manager in Byju's.
That will not work. We have to find another experience.
Yeah, I have to keep from 2017, or like from experience should be from MTech or from BTech have to keep.
From MTech only we'll take it.
Okay. So
4 or 5 years of experience depends on your preparation. When I'll take mock, that time I'll tell you which year, how many years you should go, 4 or 5.
Okay, fine. Another question. See, you're telling that we can keep the experience, right? So how can we manage this PF account? Because I'm already running a PF account.
You don't go for PF if you are not able. See the PF thing, like 99% companies, they will not verify. 1% company, like big company, Accenture, TCS, Mindtree, maybe these companies, like top companies only, they will verify. Other companies, they don't go for the PF statement wise. What we are going to do, you have the UN number. Just PF number will be generated and it will be added. That's all. Nothing else.
No, if we create, for example, if I join the course now, you are going to create a new PF account for me, right?
PF number.
Yeah, PF number.
UN number you will have one only. In that one PF number, without credit, it will be generated. You can create n number of PF number.
Okay.
If you'll work on the sum of the day, your PF will be credited. In future also, if they will come to know that why this PF number is showing, PF name is showing, you say that someone created, okay, and I have not joined there. As you see, I have it's not got created. It's not get created. Any amount is not created. I have not worked at all. So that is also fine work. So we don't have problem.
And other thing, like you are hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
You're giving a pay slips also, right? Like pay slips and other documents.
All document to clear your BGB, they are providing it.
No, how can we manage this bank statement, Ajay?
Bank statement edited only. Okay.
Edited
Not
one.
edited only. Bank statement, but they will charge separate, I guess, 1 or 2,000, I guess. Vishal, are you there in a call?
Hello, hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Hello, sir. This is Manjunath.
Yes, Manjunath.
Yes, sir. I completed BTech in 2016. After 2 years, I have worked in mechanical domain. After that, I have gap for 3 years. How can I get job in that ETL testing?
2016 you cleared.
Yes, sir.
Then fine. No, 2 years what you have worked, we'll keep it that. From 2018 will show as a IT experience.
Actually, I worked up to 2019, sir.
2019 you worked. Then 3.5 years will show as a IT experience.
Non-IT, sir. Actually, I worked in mechanical domain.
That is fine. You keep it that also. We'll keep this also. 3.5 or 4 years, 4.5. We can keep it. Depends on your papers and how good you are preparing. That much will go for the 5 years also. If you prepare very well, and we'll get more package if you prepare very nicely.
Okay, sir. How is the opening for in that sector, sir?
Opening was less in December, but we were getting call. Student was getting call. But January and February we are expecting lots of call, because 1 year they did not have as per the normal speed, but they have had like 60-70% hiring done. So we are expecting very good call in February month. February it will be like a flood. So be prepared. You will be get job for definitely.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Any other question? Shall I close it? So one second, Manjunath, just 1 second. Okay, guys. So what we'll do, no? Tomorrow morning when I'll start the session, no? That time I'll explain you the full syllabus. Okay.
Hello.
Tomorrow morning. For 10
hello,
minutes.
sir.
Yeah, just a second. Hold on, guys.
Sir, for ETL testing, is there any
Priyanka
requirement
Jain,
of
can you
any
hear me?
basic knowledge of? Yes, sir. Hello.
Just hold on. Let me complete it.
Okay, sir.
Just
Okay, sir.
1 minute you give me. Okay. Okay, so guys, so tomorrow morning in our class will start. No, that time I'll explain the syllabus agenda of it, and then we'll continue with the SQL part. First, we'll start with the SQL. Okay, first we'll start with the SQL, and then we'll start our session. So tomorrow I'll explain you the full syllabus of ETL testing, and what are the things we are going to cover as part of ETL testing. And then after this explaining of agenda, we'll go for the starting from the introduction of SQL, and then we'll go on the regular classes like this. Okay, so don't worry on this. We'll be able to cover in 10 minutes full agenda, and then we'll start with the SQL tomorrow morning class. Yeah, go ahead, Priyanka Jain. First, you ask your question.
Sir, is there any prerequisite required for this course?
Not
ETL
required. I'm
testing?
going to teach you everything.
This is beginner level course.
Sorry.
This is beginner level course, or I mean, is there any knowledge of any manual testing or Selenium?
Nothing needed. I'm going to teach you everything, and 14 years of experience also, able to crack interview using the same document. So it's not beginner level of document, it's a medium level of document. Okay.
So this is a SQL based,
not very easy also. So if you'll give your 100% from tomorrow, within 1 month you will have offer letter in your hand. Yes, Priyanka.
Hello, and sir, not required Java knowledge for this course or SQL.
Not required.
Hello, it's a 5 weekends course, right? Some clarity.
Sorry?
1 month course, right? I mean, 5 weekends are.
It will be 5 weekend only.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, 30 days. My target is, maybe it may go 35 days. Depends on your like how you people are getting it. Like if doubt will be asked more, then it will 1 or 2 classes it will expand.
5 weekends means 5 into 3, 15 days.
15 classes, but 2 hours also we have, no? 2 hours, 6 hours class you say.
Okay.
Sir, will you provide me job opportunity via Naukri LinkedIn profile, or I mean, will you give me any job security like
Yeah, see,
placement
the
guarantee?
thing is that how we work, we'll train you, we'll take your mock, we'll have group discussion and all.
Okay.
You'll prepare your resume. I'll verify that Naukri profile updates and LinkedIn profile updates and all these things will be verified from me and the team, as well as will help you to what are the things you have to tell in interview. Any openings from my side, if I'll come across, I'll share with you. We have a 300 HR number, which will be shared with you. You will be checking with them. You will send your profile to them. If any openings will be there, they'll call you immediately. Definitely 5 months, you will, by yourself only, you will be getting more calls. You will be getting by yourself also. It's a two-way approach will be there. Two-way support will be there. One way, you will also get it through the online where you will be uploading your resume. Another way you will be getting through the through myself. Okay, so two-way support will be there. One way you are getting calls from your side, as well as one way I'll be also helping you to get it.
Okay, and sir, how can I get your recorded class and live class? I mean, is there any platform?
Yeah, when you will be joining the classes, no, you will be sharing your mail ID. I'll be sharing you the access for the drive. From
Drive,
tomorrow
Google
onwards,
Drive.
that will be.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Jayant sir.
Yes, tell me.
Prakash here. Sir,
Yeah.
one of my friends want to join over here, and regarding the fake experience, he's asking, for example, he cannot join directly on full time for like TCS and Accenture. But like after doing one project or two project with other company, and then will he able to join again?
See, the
over there?
problem with the TCS and Accenture, no, what is happening, no? Like anytime they can ask you the virtual access for the, your bank. So now they trend what they do. They will ask your log into your bank account and show your full experience from the starting. What will do? We have some permanent company who is providing the document also. After working 1 or 2 years, no, will get you a permanent company document. Okay, so that is little bit costly, so that's why we are not giving now. Okay, but
sir, for example, I have genuine experience of about 5 years, and earlier my salary was credited an ICICI account, and now it's stopped. Like I have discontinued, and in my current company, I have only Axis Bank account. So, do they ask me show the previous company account and the bank details, all this stuff?
in rare case they do, like out of 100, one case they catch it like that. But not
I have
usually.
heard like they do background check for last 7 years, not more than that.
But that's what I'm saying. 7 years is more than sufficient. But 10 years,
Yes.
12 years, they will not do. But TCS, you cannot predict only.
Okay.
So they have very horrible, verification.
Hello,
Like
sir.
we as a regular, like permanent people also getting scared with the TCS.
Yes, I understand.
Wherever they will catch it, they will catch it.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Rosni.
सर मैं टीसीएस में वर्क कर रही हूँ 3 मंथ्स अब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस है उसमें फिर जाने का चांस था नहीं सर मेरे को
हाँ जा सकते हैं ना
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ओके 6 मंथ्स तक नहीं जा सकते कर को बोले तो एम्प्लॉय आईडी
बाद जा
जनरेट हो
सकते हैं 6 मंथ बाद जा सकते हो आप
ओके ओके सर थैंक यू सर
Hello,
सर
sir. Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Vijay.
Sir, I'm Vijay Bharti, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Bharti.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I have done MBA 2014 passed out, sir. Before I worked as a recruiter, sir, 2 years. Before that, I left the job due to personal reasons. Then I'm not working. So presently, I want to work. 2014, sir.
That is fine. No, 2017 onwards we'll show the experience and we'll get it. You are HR, you know everything.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. As a recruiter, I have worked, sir.
That is fine.
But now
You know
I want
how
to
the
switch
things
out.
work.
I know, but now I don't know anything about IT knowledge and all.
That I'll teach you. No worries in that. Okay, just try
Okay.
to just be ready to give your best from tomorrow onwards.
Yeah, okay. And one more thing, sir, I got married and I have 2 children. If I can't adjust timing, is there any alternative timing, sir?
We are flexible with that one. Okay, so if you will be not able to get it, sometimes if you want to join evening batch, that also we can.
Yeah, that one only.
Anyway, you will get the recording session.
Yeah, okay, sir.
If
Okay, sir,
sessions
thank you.
if you'll miss, you'll go for the recording. Okay, guys, so let's connect tomorrow. Okay, it's been 1 hour 40-minute session. It's a maximum till now. Okay, guys, anyone is having any doubt?
Sir,
Yeah, Radhika.
Sir, Saturday's class I am unable to attend because of I'm doing the job of the faculty. No, sir, I have to go to college. So how do I make up that particular class?
Recording. No worries in that.
Okay.
Immediately, I'll upload the recording into the drive within a one hour. Once we complete the session, you can listen that same class recording. It will be 0 edited. Same class recording will be updated. You listen it and prepare it and then join it. No worries in that.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Sir, one more thing. Hello.
Yeah, Bharti.
One more thing, sir. Sir, if I want a permanent homework from homework, so then they will provide sir, companies work from home.
Many companies, they made it a permanent work from home. Many
Yeah,
companies. They closed their
okay.
office. They made it permanent work from home. Just show your talent and then get into it.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Before
thank
COVID
you.
also, it was some of the company they were giving work work from home, like IBM, Dell and all. So now COVID, so they have extra, they'll provide you the permanent work from home only.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question.
Okay, sir.
Can I close the session, guys?
सर आप मुझे कोर्स डिटेल बताने वाले थे सर, एक्चुअली मेरा नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था सर स्टार्टिंग
मैं
में।
कल मॉर्निंग में बताऊंगा कोर्स डिटेल्स। मैं अभी तुरंत बोला ना कोर्स डिटेल्स में आपका।
Yes, sir.
आप जो पहले बात कर रही थी उससे पहले मैं बोला ना
हाँ,
1
sir.
मिनट देने के लिए, तो मैं उसमें बोला स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है मेरा, तो ये कोर्स डिटेल में कल
Yes,
सवेरे
sir.
में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा 10 मिनट के लिए।
जयंत सर, 1
Okay, sir.
second.
हाँ बोलिए।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
हाँ रंजीत जी बोलिए, कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ सर। कैन वी हैव एटलीस्ट कोर्स कंटेंट सो वी कैन प्रिपेयर टुमारो मॉर्निंग सर?
Tomorrow morning 10 minutes, just give me, I'll explain it tomorrow morning.
Okay.
मैं शेयर कर दूंगा, ग्रुप में शेयर करूंगा, टेंशन नहीं है।
हाँ, ग्रुप में सर सिर्फ कोर्स कंटेंट शेयर कर दीजिए, so I can see at least 4-5 classes detail, so we can prepare as well as
tomorrow. So it will be very basic. Okay,
what is basic sir? It is based on our knowledge only now.
But like it will be so easy, like it's so it's like first class, it will go like easy and easiest thing you can say, anyone can understand.
Yes.
But I'll share in a group also the course content. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Ranjit sir, thank you.
Hello, okay, Mr. Sir, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, see you Mr. tomorrow.
Yeah.
This is Meenakshi.
Yeah, Meenakshi, tell me.
Yeah, so I sent you the message, but you didn't respond me. So that's why I'm just asking. I'm right now in the US. So is there any scope for the ETL testing?
So US, we are getting more projects from the US and all only, correct? So you will have very good scope there only.
Okay.
And they are paying very good salary there.
So this is totally different from the manual testing and the automation, right?
Yeah. This is the different from manual testing. Basic steps will be needed, but it's a different from automation. What you are going to do?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, guys. So
सर समटाइम फेक एक्सपीरियंस प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट भी करता है आगे चल के, तो सर जैसे कि मैं यदि फेक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं एक्वायर करती हूँ तो जॉब मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं है सर?
नहीं। 2015 पास आउट हो ना आप?
यस सर।
नहीं मिलेगा
सर। एक्चुअली
मिलना रहता तो 5 साल में मिल जाता, अभी तक नहीं मिला तो आपका आगे क्या मिलेगा? We'll try our level best for like that, but you cannot guarantee like you will get it, but if you'll go with the experience you will get it.
सर एक्चुअली फेक एक्सपीरियंस रखे तो प्रॉक्सी बहुत चल रहा है, घर को बैकग्राउंड वेरिफिकेशन में निकाल लेते हैं, फिर भी प्रॉब्लम होता है सर।
1 or 2%
Yes,
chances
sir.
are there, but you have to see, if you'll go for the top companies, it will be a problem. If you'll go in medium level companies, consultancies, small level companies, there is no problem. Still,
Okay, sir.
and what document we are giving, it's clearing the company, medium level MNC, big MNC also it is clearing. So we are not suggesting for top 3 companies, but apart from that, it's getting cleared in other companies also. No worries in that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just be positive, everything will be fine, because now jobs are like, you know, December month jobs were less, so they were just filtering out people. But Feb month, when you'll have flood kind of things, no, you will not have this problem again. Verification will go easy only. See what happened, no, when the project they need employee, they will go you know, very slow, like very anything they'll manage. When they will not need anyone, they will tell you what are the so many different story, and they will remove you. So that is the problem. So in December month, maybe a year end was there, so they were having less openings. So because of that, they were filtering out some of the people. So they are making this kind of things. Otherwise, like in Feb month, you will have lots of opening. If you will be work fine, if you will be prepared well, you will get it. Okay, guys. So let's disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow morning. Okay, 8 o'clock. Okay, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
it's been 1 hour. Bye, everyone. Take care. Good night.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.